Soccer 605 here with Coach Ryan Beyer, head coach of the O'Gorman Lady Knights. Man, I'll tell you what, that thing got a little dicey there toward the end.
It did, and the effort of both teams was just tremendous tonight, and you couldn't ask for more of a beautiful night to play soccer. And I told Groton's coaches and every one of their kids, what a tremendous effort they were putting out, and we really had to work for that win, and luckily came out ahead. We had some opportunities, and we really had to work to get the space we needed to get those goals in.
Well, it would have been awful easy when they were putting all that pressure on you. They scored that goal for the girls to lose their composure, but they got together and got themselves out of a problem.
They did, and that's one of the things that it's hard in a shortened season to be able to talk about and coach some of those things up. But especially the past week and a half, it's the composure. We've talked about our team's composure, having that composure, with the defensive pressure, with the offensive pressure, and just playing within themselves and not trying. Sometimes teams try to do too much, or they overplay a little bit, and that's when mistakes start to happen. And we made a mistake or two and they got that goal, and we really had to come back and respond, and they did, and they fought hard, and we really kept that pressure on them.
Well, I'll tell you, big rematch tomorrow night from last year's championship match. What do you think will be different this year than last?
Hopefully we can come out on the winning side. But I tell you what, we know Aberdeen's gonna bring a tough match tomorrow, and we've played them 2-2 both games so far this year, and they've both just been back and forth, great soccer matches, and it sounds like the weather could be a little bit of an issue with wind and rain and whatnot, but when the kids step on the field, they're going to be ready to play, and our kids will be ready to play, and I think it'll be a fun match to watch.
Well, I can guarantee you we're really looking forward to it, and I agree it's going to be a fantastic match. So best of luck to you, and best of luck to Aberdeen Central. It's really going to be a great end to another great year for you guys.
Yeah, it will. I just told my kids, I said, we won tonight and got where we wanted to be, and that's in the final. And anything can happen in that final match, and you just got to come and play to win and have some fun. Because I tell you what, this atmosphere out here with the Activities Association is tremendous, and the fan support and all the support of the local people has just been great. So yeah, we'll enjoy it, and we'll have a lot of fun tomorrow.
Well, good luck. Thanks, Coach.
Thanks, Randy.